Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can log out from your Gmail account. For this, you have to open your Gmail app. And if you want to log out from your account, just tap on the profile and for example, I'm going to log out from this Gmail account of mine and log into other accounts. If you just tap on other accounts, then you can simply log out from the previous account and log into your new account. So this is how you can log out from Gmail account on your phone. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.